Hello Blender people, here is a demo of the Ref2ImagePlane add-on. It's a little convenient stuff I made for handling a reference image, because often I like to just drag and drop images from the browser, from the OS browser, but sometimes you don't want like an empty reference that won't be rendered. You want an actual image plane, like as if you are using image as plane add-on. You can go to objects and convert and mesh from empty image, sorry. Now you can choose the shader you want to create, and also the name of the original image or the name of the object. And you can also delete this original object. So now if I switch to module, you can see that I have my reference. So that's cool. Now let's delete this. So again, I will check my drawing here. Now, I don't want this to be like this, but this doesn't affect the conversion at all. It would just go on the width of the camera. And you can see that here, I have this image plane from Visible Ref that will convert every image that is visible here. So for example, here I have again this little panel. And the shader, the post action, is like if I want to hide this reference after, or if I want to delete it, or just leave it as it is. And also the distance, because we are keeping the plane within the camera view. So for example, here if I click OK, you can see that I have the image here. But if I call the redo panel with the F9 key, you can see that if I change the distance, it actually fits into the camera. Also, you can set up a driver. This is a function I took from the camera plane add-on from l'Effet Spécial Studio. And this will set up some driver here. In the properties of the item, have the camera plane distance that you can tweak afterwards. That is still keeping the ratio of the image. And also a property to handle the size. So this is a little addition I found convenient. This is something I tried to do during my Inktober. Here is the final drawing. I usually update about the coding stuff on Twitter, link in description. So see you there or on the next video.